of dogs across the country have a fear of loud noises. Some are prescribed anxiety medications that humans take to treat it. News 4's Angela Cristoforos explains how a new FDA-approved drug could help your pet. Angela?
Christy, having a fear of loud noises is a common problem for the 70 million dogs in this country. Hearing things like thunderstorms and fireworks could be traumatic for your pet, but a new FDA-approved drug may alleviate the problem.
Zeus is afraid of loud noises like thunder and fireworks, and when those things start happening, he'll start shaking, drooling, he'll climb in the bathtub, and he just starts panting and acting very anxious.
Zeus is one of millions of dogs across the country that takes anxiety medication like Valium that's also prescribed to people.
And the most commonly used drug is, of course, Xanax, which is like Valium, and that's used for anti-anxiety. It's actually labeled for that.
Dr. Albert says he encourages dog owners to use a test dose first because some dogs can have an adverse reaction to these medications and side effects like loss of appetite and heavy sedation.
Any loud, very loud sound, any sudden thing that causes the dog to go to a sense of panic. And phobia is a normal reaction, but it just is much larger and much more intensified than what the threat would be.
A new first-of-its-kind, FDA-approved prescription veterinary medicine called Celio may be the answer to a widespread problem.
It's kind of like an anesthetic. But what's different about this drug is it's very rapid acting and it's very easily used. So you just put a little of the material between the cheek and the gum, and within 20 minutes to 40 minutes, your dog is calm, but not overly sedated.
Celio works by blocking a brain chemical similar to adrenaline that pumps up anxiety.
Almost half of animals in their lifetime are going to experience a noise phobia. If it has the ability to help them, I'm going to try it.
Albert says he's cautious about some side effects of the drug, like depression. He also recommends leaving your dog at home during 4th of July fireworks. Live in the newsroom, Angela Cristoforos, News 4 at 4.